Welcome to Aspire BBA, your go-to channel for mastering the business world and achieving financial success. Today, we're diving into Tony Robbins' transformative book, Money, Master the Game. In this video, we'll break down the essential strategies from some of the world's top investors, giving you the tools to take control of your financial future. If you're looking to grow your wealth, secure your financial freedom, and learn from the best, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins is a comprehensive guide to achieving financial freedom and mastering the complexities of personal finance. Drawing from interviews with some of the world's most successful investors and financial experts, Robbins provides practical advice, strategies, and actionable steps to help individuals take control of their financial futures. Key lessons from Money, Master the Game. 1. Understand the power of compounding. One of the foundational principles Robbins emphasizes is the power of compound interest. By starting to invest early and consistently, even small amounts of money can grow exponentially over time, leading to substantial wealth accumulation. 2. Know your financial goals. Robbins encourages readers to define clear financial goals. Whether it's achieving financial independence, buying a home, or retiring comfortably, knowing what you want helps you create a focused plan and stay motivated. 3. The importance of asset allocation. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., is crucial to managing risk. Robbins explains that proper asset allocation is the most critical factor in investment success, more so than picking individual stocks or timing the market. 4. Create a plan for financial freedom. Robbins introduces the concept of the financial freedom plan, which involves determining the amount of money needed to live your desired lifestyle without working. He breaks down the steps to achieve this, including saving, investing, and creating multiple streams of income. 5. Seek out low-cost investment options. High fees can significantly erode investment returns over time. Robbins advocates for low-cost index funds and ETFs, which provide broad market exposure with minimal fees, allowing more of your money to work for you. 6. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs can help you grow your wealth faster by reducing your tax burden. Robbins emphasizes the importance of using these tools to your advantage. 7. Prepare for market volatility. Robbins highlights the inevitability of market ups and downs. He advises staying disciplined, sticking to your long-term investment strategy, and not making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. 8. Focus on financial security. First, before aiming for wealth, Robbins suggests building a financial security base. This includes having an emergency fund, adequate insurance, and stable sources of income to protect yourself against life's uncertainties. 9. Learn from the best. Throughout the book, Robbins shares insights from interviews with top investors like Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, and Jack Bogle. Their wisdom provides valuable lessons on building wealth, managing risk, and maintaining a long-term perspective. 10. Give back. Robbins believes that true wealth comes from contributing to others. He encourages readers to practice philanthropy and give back to their communities, suggesting that sharing your wealth not only helps others, but also brings personal fulfillment. Money, Master the Game is an empowering resource that equips readers with the knowledge and tools necessary to take control of their financial lives. Tony Robbins' practical advice, combined with insights from financial legends, makes this book a valuable guide for anyone seeking to achieve financial independence and security. Thanks for watching today's breakdown of Money, Master the Game on Aspire BBA. If you're serious about mastering your finances and building a strong financial foundation, don't forget to implement these key lessons. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to Aspire BBA, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into personal finance, business, and growth strategies. Let's continue this journey toward financial freedom together. See you in the next video.